They told me I wasn't gonna get far. So I told them like this, look. My adversaries crumble when we rumble. It's a catastrophe on anybody who tryna hate, come and blast at me. I've been in this for a minute. See how I graduated from rookie to beginner, but now I'm winning on the road. Packing up and selling our shows, but let's rewind the tape a bit and let them all know who came to rock the floor. Jay, who knocks the most? Willis. I creep up on the come up, whether they hate it or feel this. Next in line to come and battle me quick. Man, you don't wanna see me in the circle. I'm killing you, kid. Young Jay, I'm bad. They told me I wasn't gonna get far. So I told them like this, look. Who's back? Watch me lean back, see how I ride. I gotta do my thing. Check 1, 2 on the mic, and when we go, you know there ain't no stopping us, right? Because we party every day just like it's 1999. Watch me lean back, see how I ride. I gotta do my thing. Check 1, 2 on the mic, and when we go, you know there ain't no stopping us, right? Because we party every day just like it's 1999. I put everybody that won any issues in a line. Step 'em up, I started out battle rapping, so I can just flip your script in a minute to these rhymes. See, that's a whole school of wannabe rappers that's out of lines. Why? Question this reckless question with next generation, no extra linguistics. Mess up in his mind, gone out of control. Left for dead if somebody ever took a shot. You blessed to hit him, I never ride, forever on top. I'm up to date with 7 albums, when will it stop? My steady grind, signing checks, I still get the guap. And you still hate, I'm diverse, just give it a shot. Till then, watch me lean back, see how I ride. I gotta do my thing. Check 1, 2 on the mic, and when we go, you know there ain't no stopping us, right? Because we party every day just like it's 1999. Watch me lean back, see how I ride. I gotta do my thing. Check 1, 2 on the mic, and when we go, you know there ain't no stopping us, right? Because we party every day just like it's 1999.